A very warm welcome to you all. On behalf of Kalinga University, I, Dr. Sohini Bhattacharya, invite Internship Program in Zoological Techniques. During this course, we are going to offer 5 different modules comprising of hands-on training on different important biological techniques, as well as we are going to offer you scope of learning and understanding various specialized and advanced topics like ornithology, economic zoology, social behavior of animals, and microbiological techniques. Additionally, we have access to various advanced instruments like SEM, FTIR, multiprobe water analyzer, stereo microscope, and many more. The use of which are going to be combined with lectures to facilitate the students to be trained on assessing ecological diversity, identification and preservation of macro and microorganisms, and monitoring environmental pollution and water quality. We are also going to train the students on data collection, field sampling, analysis, and data representation. Overall, since all the 5 modules have been meticulously designed by our expert faculty, we expect that after completing this program, the students will be well equipped professionally for being in both academia and industry. Moreover, since we are going to train the students on advanced topics like ornithology and social behavior of animals, we also expect them to be trained in career fields related to wildlife and forestry. Thank you.